going on, fearless fans? So I ordered my Samsung Galaxy A10 phone and a phone case with it, and it was supposed to came from yesterday, but the shipment was late, so it just came in. So this video is gonna be unboxing. I'm gonna unbox it. So if you guys are new here, my name is Little Fabs Official. I upload videos like on the weekends also. So yeah, hit that thumbs up and also subscribe. We're on the road to 400 subscribers, so let's get this unboxing finished. Apparently I already kind of opened it already, but I haven't seen what's inside it. So let's do this unboxing challenge, guys. Let's see what's in it. Alright guys, when I'm so excited, hold on. Alright guys, I had to go get the light on. So anyway, let's see in this now. Ooh, alright. Some papers in it. Ooh! Guys, check this out. Yo, Samsung Galaxy A10. Alright. I see another thing, guys. I see another thing. What's this? That's more paper again. Wait, see another thing. I see something else, guys. Let me open this. Ooh, this is a phone case, guys. Yo! Yo! This is the phone case. Oh my god. Alright. Nice. Oh! There's something else in the box, you guys. Oh! I think this is the screen protector. I think this is the screen protector for the phone. And this is like some stuff to clean the screen. And this one is what's this? Guide sticker. It says use to clean the dust on the screen. Oh, you can use it to clean the screen too. They both use to clean the screen. I got my screen protector. So let me just put back these in here. Put this box in here too. Alright, let's get this bad boy open, guys. Yo, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Alright, I don't want to ruin this, so let me tear off this tape right here. Don't use a knife to open a box, okay? You see what it says right there too? Oh my god. Guys, this order was supposed to came in from yesterday, and I was getting worried because it didn't came yesterday. The shipment was late. What's in this little box? Ooh, look at the phone. Yo! Samsung Galaxy A10 Infinity V display. Look at this man, guys. Slim design. 13 PM. 5 MP camera. Ooh, alright. Alright. It's looking good. Alright. Let me take off this plastic from off it. I don't want to scratch it, so let me find a way to take out this plastic. Ooh, wow. Yo, the screen looks super clean. Wow. Alright, nice. I know. Oh, I see. The back doesn't open, guys. So basically, I need to get a pin to pull right here. See right here? I need to get a pin to open it, to put my SIM card in it. Oh! I was even looking. It comes with everything in the box. Oh, I got a new charger. An headphone. That's great. Oh, here's it. Oh, a new adapter. Alright. Guys, you see these type of adapters? These types are not good. Okay? Want you guys to see my face. So these type of adapters, they're not good. The one that you guys need to buy for, the one that you guys need to search for is like, it has like a lightning bolt right here. Let me show you guys. Hold on. I can see in a demons after me. Only I could see who I could see. Alright, so this is a charging adapter that you guys should buy. You see what this one says? Electric fast charging. So now look at this one compared to this. You see this? This one ain't good. This one is the best one. The one with the lightning bolt on it. This one charges fast. Alright, let's see what else in this box. Oh, so they sent me the pin to open the side of the thing. I guess there's nothing else in the box. Alright. Anyway, the box is empty. Let me cover it back. Alright. I never really use these type of headphones because I don't like to put things in my ears. So I don't really use those type of headphones, but I might use it anyway. Alright. Let me put on the screen protector. Let me put the screen protector on first before I do anything else, you guys. Yo, can't even see this goddamn thing properly. I want to line it up properly, you guys. Hold on. I can't see the thing to line it up properly. Alright, so I just put on the screen protector right now. Don't worry, this is like a crack. It just didn't flush properly right there. Anyway, so look, this is look on there. It's a blue. It looks good. Alright, let me open this part now where you put in the SIM card. How do you open this? Oh, it's open. Micro SD, SIM 1. Oh, wow, wow. Oh, I see. So look now, it's three layers. So this is I think the SD card. So the first one is the SD card, and you have SIM 1 and SIM 2. So as you guys know, this is my old phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy J4. This type of phone is not good. Trust me, this phone is not good. The J4 phone, it's not good. Let me take out this battery. Take out my micro SD card, my SIM card. Lock up at this goddamn phone, and then yeah, throw it in here. Then I'm gonna put it in this box. Alright, so I'm gonna put it in this micro SD card. I hope I put it in the right way. Alright, there we go. SD card in. Put in my SIM card. Oh, I guess I might have to take the SIM card out of this thing first to put it in. Give this video a big thumbs up, you guys. Oh my god. Yo. So you have... Wait, what the hell? What did it name it? Oh, SIM 1, SIM 2. I don't know which one of these is SIM 1, but just gonna put it in there. Maybe it's the first one is SIM 1. I hope this is flushed in. Alright. Oh my god. I don't remember which way I took it out from, but I think is it this way I did? Wait. It's not going in. What the hell? Because it's this way then. Is that correct? Alright. Let me turn it on and see. Alright. Ooh. Alright. Smash that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 400 subscribers, you guys. You see my hair? It's glowing out. It's getting color. Comment below what other color you want me to dye my hair in. What other color? One of my friends want me to go blue, to do blue. Alright. So now the phone is starting up right now. So alright guys, so while the phone is starting up, let's check out this phone case. This phone case is good. Check this out. Wow. Nice. This is like the stand for it. Oh my god. This is so good. Alright, let's put in the phone in the case. Let me change the language on this thing to English. Yo, where's my data on the phone already? Look at these language, guys. Can you see that? I don't speak. Alright, you guys. I'm almost finishing setting up the phone right now. Can you all see like on the camera? I'm almost finishing setting up everything. Done. Alright, you guys. I finished setting up everything right now. It's just completing setup, it says. Completing setup. So as you guys see, I got my logo on the screen still because I'm a Virgo. Y'all should probably know. Loading weather information. Alright you guys, that's it for the video today. Hope you guys did enjoy this. If you did, smash that like button right now and also hit that subscribe button and go follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave the links below. Go follow me on social media. I'm gonna leave all the links in below. This is the back, the case. It looks good. It's basically like a stand too. For when I know you're watching movie. Oh my god. Let me set it up properly. Let's say you want to watch movie, guys. Let's say you want to watch movie, right? Hey. Anyway, yeah. That's it for the video. Finally got my phone and everything, so yeah. See you all in the next one. Peace out.